A house is not a home without a cattle grid, a conference table, and a bidet. Those are the 3 things that we need in a home. And an aga. Thrown in the aga for good measure. Alright, so a house isn't a home without a conference table, a cattle grid, a bidet, and an aga. And a leuconium. But that's optional. A few beams. Alright, okay, fine. A house is not a home with a conference table, a bidet, a cattle grid, an aga, a few beams, and a leuconium. The leuconium is optional. And 2 sinks per room, for God's sake. Right, okay. A house! A house isn't a home without a conference table, a cattle grid, an aga, a bidet, 2 sinks, a few beams, and a leuconium. Leuconium's optional. And a headboard! Oh, for God! No, lads, there's only so far I can go. A house is not a home without a conference table, a cattle grid, a headboard, a bidet, an aga, a few beams, double sinks, a leuconium, and also, can't forget, a goose room. I almost forgot about the goose room.